paper. Allegations of fake voting and bribery mar Delhi polls. The AAP and BJP indulged in an intense blame game with both sides alleging multiple incidents of alleged irregularities, bogus voting, money distribution, and mismanagement were reported from several places in Delhi on Wednesday, as 70 assembly constituencies in the national capital went to polls. The incident led to chaotic scene near polling centers at Silampur, Jangpura, Kasturba Nagar, and New Delhi. Chief Electoral Officer of Delhi said around noon that the polling process was going on smoothly. A few EVMs were replaced during mock polls and actual voting. Also, the CEO said we have a sufficient number of reserve EVMs. A strong technical team, along with sector officials, are sorting out EVM related issues then and there, she said. In the first incident in Silampur, northeast Delhi, two groups of people had a face off after the BJP supporters alleged bogus voting at a polling center in Aryan Public School. A 3-minute video clip of the purported incident surfaced on social media, in which two groups of people can be seen having an argument over the issue. As per the video, policemen deployed outside the center intervened and brought the situation under control. According to police, high drama unfolded in Silampur when a BJP leader accused some people wearing burqas of attempting to vote fraudulently. However, police denied any fake voting in the area in Silampur, following allegations of fake voting by the BJP. More leaders of the party began sloganeering outside a polling booth. Delhi police, however, dismissed the charges, pointing to security deployed in the area. Additional police and paramilitary forces were also deployed. In a statement, the police said that police control room call was received by a woman who alleged that her vote had already been cast by someone else. The call was made by Mohini 26 of Usman Puri. Inquiry revealed that confusion arose due to a similar name by another woman who was a previous tenant at Mohini's residence. The police said in the statement, verification after verification, the presiding officer allowed both women to vote. It said the situation is under control now and the arrangements are fine. The police said Silampur residents Safdar Ali said the BJP candidate Ali Gaur came and said people were voting fraudulently. We asked him how was it possible when there are several layers of checking. The officials are checking the voter ID cards of everyone and allowing only valid voters inside the booth. Later he left and the situation is now normal here due to the administration and security personnel, Ali said. In the second incident, the police received information that two men allegedly attempt fake voting in Kasturba Nagar. The incident allegedly happened at Sarvodaya Vidyalaya in the Andrews Ganj area. They were caught by the Delhi police and are currently being interrogated. Police sources said two men identified as Sumit 22, and Anuj, 24, were detained for allegedly attempting bogus voting in South Delhi's Kasturba Kasturba Nagar. Two people were going to Savodya Vidyalaya in Andrewganj area of Kasturba Nagar Assembly constituency of Delhi to cast fake votes with slips when they were caught. Both are being interrogated, said a Delhi police officer. The Delhi police, in a post on X, alleged that up workers torched the shanty of a party workers at Kalandar Colony in Sahadra constituency. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva claimed that the AAP has stopped to fake voting as it was rattled by its imminent defeat. He urged people to be wary of Arvind Kejriwal's led party's manipulation. AAP candidate from Greater Kailas Saurabh Bharadwaj also claimed people were being stopped from voting in Chirag, Delhi, and senior party leader Manish Sisodia alleged money was being distributed from a house in Jangpura. Bharadwaj claimed that police had barricaded the Chirag, Delhi area, preventing people from voting. He shared a video on X showing a woman sitting alone in an auto rickshaw near a barricade, alleging that it was well deliberately placed to obstruct access to the polling station. Bharadwaj on Wednesday accused the Delhi police of putting barricades at 200 meters at polling stations at Aam Aadmi Party's strongholds. Delhi police at AAP strongholds has barricaded the polling station at 200 meters. It's there at Chirag Delhi polling station. No bike, scooters, car allowed. Bharadwaj wrote in a post on X. How will people vote? Will old and handicapped walk 200 meters to vote? The AAP minister sought to know. He also urged the election commissioner of India and Delhi police to show under what law or rule it is this happening. The Delhi police, however, said that the elderly and those who cannot walk or can bring their cars. There is an exception for the elderly and those who cannot walk. For them, bringing their car inside is allowed. Ankit Chauhan, DCP South Delhi, said this rule is being implemented everywhere. We will investigate the places where Saurabh Bharadwaj is raising concern about. In another incident, former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia alleged that BJP polling agents were distributing money to voters near a polling booth in Sarai Kale Khan, which falls under Jangpura constituency. A video clip of the purported incident surfaced on social media, where Sisodia could be seen arguing with the BJP supporters and policemen. In another video, Sisodia alleged money was being distributed from a house in the area. He asked police officers on duty to conduct a raid at the house. Police received another PCR call from a woman who alleged that someone had cast a vote in her name by the time she went to her polling booth. Police, however, found out that another woman with a similar name who lived in the complainant's house as a tenant had cast the vote. After verification, the presiding officer allowed both of them to vote. Police said allegations of voter bribery at Sarai Kale Khan were promptly investigated. Police, along with EXE magistrate FST, ensured through verification no evidence was found to substantiate the claims. Effective police presence is manipulated for peace and order, police tweeted while distributing election office. New Delhi tweeted that some incident regarding revelers not being allowed inside polling booths were reported by political parties. However, on ground verification revealed that polling agents inside were unwilling to come out, which prevented revelers from being accommodated. Sector officers and presiding officials have been sensitized to ensure the smooth revealing of polling agents. We would like to clarify that barricading has been done for proper entry of queue and effective crowd management for smooth functioning of the voting process. As per the ECI guidelines, private vehicles are not allowed within 200 meters of polling stations to ensure a fair, orderly process. Elderly person with a disability and those unable to walk can be dropped at the main entrance with wheelchair assistance available, the DO New Delhi said in another tweet. The BJP's New Delhi seat candidate Parvez Verma took to X to assess Sisodia of resorting to hooliganism as he shared a video purportedly showing the AAP leader angrily demanding action against BJP workers. Scared of defeat, AAP leaders are now showing fatness, he charged. In New Delhi constituency, Rajya Sabha MP and senior AAP leader Sanjay Singh alleged that BJP goons were distributing money near the Rashtrapati Bhavan. BJP goons were distributing money at booth number 27 block near the Rashtrapati Bhavan, a highly insensitive area. When I reached home there, they ran away. Sanjay Singh posted on X with a video. Elections are being held in Delhi and this is a joke, he added. The Delhi police, however, said that allegations of distributing of money from the building could not be substantiated. Meanwhile, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva accused the Aam Aadmi Party of facilitating fake voting in the national capital. There is a wave of change in Delhi. People are voting against the corrupt government. Now, the the Fadji government has come to the extent where it is facilitating fake voting, Sachdeva said. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.